Now I am going to tell you summary of lesson 2, A Gift of Chappals, part 2. In my previous video, I had explained you part 1 and now we will see summary of part 2. Before that, we will see some word meaning. This word you can underline in your book and write meaning nearby it. Awkwardly, improperly, bowstring, a string of violin, jutting, moving up and down, tuft, knot, gleamed, shine, leathery, wrinkled, effortlessly, continuously, apparently, clearly, sternly, rudely, gazed, looked, generosity, kindness, well, painful cry, feeble, wasted, sigh, long deep breath expressing sadness, wildly, tiredly, blubbering, cry noisily, glanced, looked, shabby, shabby looking means bad looking, unappreciative, disapproving, scurried, moved quickly, harassed, worried, and grimly, harshly. In part 2, Ravi, Meena and Mridu, they are peeping through the window. Peeping means वो window से झांक के देखते हैं. And Lalli was sitting and she was holding her violin very improperly and she was playing the violin. Her eyes were full of concentration and in front of her music master was sitting. He was thin as he was old and he has bald head. Bald head means गंजा था वो एंड कुछ जो हेयर थे, जो थोड़े बहुत हेयर थे, ऊपर में तो पूरा गंजा था लेकिन जो थोड़े बहुत हेयर थे उसमें बहुत तेल लगाया हुआ था और एक चुटिया बांधा था पीछे में. एंड he was wearing gold chain around his neck and a diamond ring on his finger and he was wearing dhoti. Then he was playing some notes and Lalli was following those notes. But music master was playing it very perfectly and Lalli could not play it. अच्छे से लल्ली नहीं बजा पा रही थी लेकिन म्यूजिक मास्टर उसको बड़े अच्छे से बजा पा रहा था. Then at that same time somebody called from the gate, Amma, oh Amma. And at that time Ravi mother was sitting in veranda and she was talking with Pati and Tapi. And then when she also heard that somebody is calling from the gate, Amma, oh Amma, and she came to know that that person is no one but a beggar who is coming to his house every day for alms. Alms मतलब भीख मांगने, वो उसके घर पे रोज आता है. तो रुक्मणी she said to Ravi that go and say that beggar that he will not get anything today. So Ravi, Meena and Mridu, all these children went to the gate to say that beggar that he will not get anything. But when they reached there, they saw that beggar was already inside the garden and he had spread his upper cloth under the neem tree and he was sitting there and taking some rest. Then Ravi went there and he said that he will not get anything. He had to go from there. But beggar said that this house of this lady of this house are very generous. They are very kind and he has kept his whole body and soul on their kindness. वो बोलता है कि इस घर की जो लेडीज है वो बहुत ही जेनरस है, बहुत ही दयालु है और पूरे वीक उन लोगों ने उसे भीख दिया है या फिर खाना दिया है और वो लोग ऐसा कभी भी नहीं बोल सकती. ऐसा बैगर बोलता है. उसके बाद फिर से वो अम्मा अम्मा आवाज लगाता है और फिर से रुक्मणी बोलती है, रवि उस बेगर को जल्दी से बोलो कि वहां से वो चला जाए। लेकिन रवि को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं थी क्योंकि रवि भी वहीं था जहाँ पे बेगर था, इसीलिए उसको बेगर को ऑलरेडी सुनाई दे जाता है। आफ्टर दैट बेगर stood up and he tightened his dhoti and he taken his upper cloth and वो उठता है और फिर अपनी धोती को टाइट करता है और अपने जो क्लोथ को बिछा रखा था, अपर क्लोथ को बिछा रखा था, उसको ले लेता है और फिर बोलता है कि जब थोड़ा सा और मतलब शाम हो जाए, जैसे अभी दोपहर है, थोड़ा और दिन ढल जाएगा तो वो वहां से जाएगा, क्योंकि क्या है बाहर में बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत धूप है और जो रोड जो तार जो बिछा हुआ है रोड पे, जिससे तार यानी कि जिससे रोड बनाते हैं, वो क्या है मेल्ट हो गया है, सन के हीट के कारण वो मेल्ट हो गया है और उसके पैर को वो दिखाता है उन बच्चों को जिसमें ऑलरेडी ब्लिस्टर्स पड़े हुए, ब्लिस्टर्स यानी कि बहुत सारे छाले पड़े हुए। और अब वो अगर जाएगा, बाहर जाएगा, धूप में जाएगा तो उसका पैर और ज्यादा जलेगा और उसके छाले और ज्यादा दर्द होंगे, तो इसलिए वो रवि को बोलता है कि थोड़ी देर और रुक जाने दो। When these 3 children saw his blisters, छाले जब देखते हैं, then Mridu said to Ravi that if you are having any old chappal in your home, then please give it to him. Then Ravi said that my slippers are very small and Meena and Mridu slippers are also small. Then Ravi went to veranda and he saw that black color slipper which was music master's slipper, and then he had given music master's slipper to beggar. Beggar when he saw that slipper, he was very happy. He wore it and he disappeared from there. वो गायब हो जाता, पहनता है और जल्दी से वहां से चला जाता है. Then music master comes out and he didn't find his slipper which he kept in the veranda. He started to search. Then he called Lalli and asked that whether she has seen her slipper. Then both Lalli and music master, both of them started to search the slipper. Then Lalli goes and said to her mother that music master's slipper is missing. And then Rukumani comes out with Pati and she also started to search, but they didn't find. Then Rukumani saw these 3 children. They were sitting in the garden, and then she went near them. Rukumani went near them and she asked them that whether they have seen music master's slipper. Then Ravi and Mridu was very scared, and in a shaky voice she said that they have given that slipper to beggar. वो लोग बोलते हैं कि वो स्लीपर को बेगर को दे दिए हैं. अब रुकुमनी was very angry, and then Pati was also very angry, and she Rukumani slapped to Ravi. When she slapped Ravi, then Ravi said that you all are saying to be kind towards people, but when we are showing our kindness, then you all are scolding us. Then he also said that they have said the story of Karan, जो महाभारत का जो कर्ण है, वो अपना गोल्ड ईयररिंग दे देता है जब कोई उससे मांगता है तो फिर रवि तो सिर्फ एक चप्पल दिया है, तो पाती बोलती है कि वो अपना सामान देता है, ना कि दूसरे का सामान, और रवि दूसरे किसी का सामान दे दिया है. तो फिर रवि बताता है कि his slippers were very small and it could not fit on the foot of beggar. So he had given music master's slipper. Then Rukumani went inside the room and she brought Gopu Mama's slipper. वो गोपू मामा का न्यू स्लीपर लेके आती है और म्यूजिक मास्टर को दे देती है. म्यूजिक मास्टर वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टू गेट न्यू स्लीपर्स, बट ही डिडंट शो हिज हैप्पीनेस. वो बहुत हैप्पी था कि उसे नया चप्पल मिल गया, लेकिन वो अपना हैप्पीनेस बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिखाता है. और वो यही दिखाता है कि उसका जो चप्पल था, म्यूजिक मास्टर का जो चप्पल था, वो बहुत ही महंगा था, बहुत कॉस्टली था. उसको उसने माउंट रोड से लेके आया था और वो पूरी लल्ली का जो 1 मंथ का जो फीस था, उतने का वो जो 1 मंथ में जो जितना फीस देती है उतने का वो स्लीपर है. तो फिर he wore that, but he wore Gopu Mama's slipper and he also went from there. But he said to Rukumani that nowadays children are not respecting elders. वो बोलता है कि आज के बच्चे elders को respect नहीं देते हैं. And they are incarnation of Hanuman. वो हनुमान के incarnation मतलब हनुमान के जैसे हैं और उस हनुमान से राम ही सबको बचाएंगे. Rukumani became very angry by hearing that somebody said his son as a holy monkey, and he wanted that music master to go away from there quickly. Then when music master went away from there, she called Mridu and Meena inside the room to have some tiffin, and she started laughing. वो इसलिए हंसती है क्योंकि वो बहुत खुश है कि जो बच्चों ने जो किया वो कहीं ना कहीं उसको सही लग रहा था कि उन लोगों ने अच्छा काम किया है. और अब वो ये सोच रही है कि गोपू मामा जब आएंगे ऑफिस से, तो वो आते के साथ सबसे पहले अपना शूज उतारते और चप्पल पहनते. तो आज जब वो वापस आएंगे ऑफिस से तो वो क्या पहनेंगे. बस here the story ends. I hope you have understood the story. Thank you.